Wow. It's the Funabashi line. Yeah, train. Tobu Urban Train. Today we're going to Funabashi, which is the other side of Chiba. This is a different line, very old train.
まもなく3番線に折り返し新鎌ヶ谷方面各駅停車船橋行きが6両編成で参ります。安全のためホームドアから顔や手を出したり寄りかかるのはおやめください。
Very cool station. It's a local train, local. Kashiwa station now. Beautiful day. Didn't have to get off anywhere, change the train, anything. He came all the way straight here without changing anywhere. My guide doesn't know where we're going. But yeah, still, this is our third day holiday, no? Third day holiday left. So very good. Exit. Look at the rush. Yeah, just follow the people. Look at the rush of people. So we gotta show ourselves. We're still doing good. You can talk. It's right here. Even it's a rush, still that's okay. People are that it charged 314 from Kashiwa to Funabashi on local train. Damn, that's cheap.
Cheap?
If you take a train, if you take a taxi, how much you reckon?
I don't know, more than 5,000.
More than 5,000. Yeah. If you get on motorcycle, 100 yen. Petrol is enough.
Camera? Which side?
Okay, so we need to get out of the station. So north exit, south exit. We gotta find our way. So, Eddie. So our navigator, auntie, is going to help us out again. He's a good salesperson. Shopping complex, the bakery. Let's walk that way. Yeah. All right. Let's walk. Walking is good for health. We like walking. Eric likes walking too. Got it. Everyone's in rush. What time is it? Yeah, office hour. just finished. And so everyone is in rush. Everyone is like, yeah, give me away. I'll go down. Be early. I'll go down. Push through. Whatever. But yeah, that's the station we were at. We're gonna try to walk all the way down to the beach. It's not a beach, it's a bay. It's a Tokyo Bay. Yeah. This is pretty much like the main center around here. So, you wanna go through here or you wanna walk down? So, yeah, it's very new for us. So we're gonna navigate all our way to the bay. Yeah, I've got to learn to walk with my chest up, like I'm doing a march past. Alright. Oh yeah. So we're here. Gonna walk through here, all down the way.
Are you sure you don't want to pump?
I don't know, there might be some things down there. But if you're hungry,
Really? We will be.
we didn't really eat.
No, we will be hungry.
Oh, yeah. I was surprised when he said we didn't really eat, because that was a good restaurant this year. Not a good breakfast this year. J Market. There's another station now. KSC Funabashi station.
Where you go?
Exit.
Might fix us.
Okay. Sushi train. We'll go like that. I think that should be the main street. Where the VHC. Looks that's a food court. We're just passing through. Tully's coffee everywhere. Tully's. Center Japan. Right, now we got to turn right again, and then right again. So it looks like this is the main street now. Look at this house. McDonald's as usual everywhere.
That's your favorite.
We have that in Kashiwa too.
Favorite.
Main crossing, right in the main crossing. Taito station, like all these things, Matsumoto, Kyoshi, Taito, you find it like every station mainly.
Yeah.
Daiso, Uniqlo, what's the other thing left? Don Quixote. See, I just said Daiso right here.
So Daiso.
No, I didn't see it. I just Donkey is right there.
Yeah.
They will always have these stores in each station, each locality, to make the people have that, convenient. They don't need to travel one place just to, yeah. And then what was the other store? GU da. GU is another one you'll always see. So now, fancy lighting, ramen shop. So yeah, at the start I was like that one too. That's a movie rental and DVD, and they do like game rental, everything. Where? Is that a chain too? Oh, that's all like izaka. Bloody hell. They're playing music from here. I don't know, love. You want to be gangster? Or should we cross from the main crossing? There was crossing right there.
I missed the chance.
Second street. They do like second hand and you can sell and buy certain things. Nishi Funabashi. Music shop. Instrument shop. Alright, we gotta go down this, yeah? Straight? Okay. These kind of crossing are very common in Japan as well. You can crisscross crossings. And the biggest crossing. What do you reckon? Oh yeah. The biggest one is in Shinjuku. No, sorry. Shibuya. Shibuya crossing is the biggest crossing here. So. Anyway. Funabashi. Right in the middle of city. City Hall.
The ramen shop you wanted to go to get here too.
What ramen shop?
Yokohama ramen.
Ah, okay. The one we saw yesterday. Right. Okay. Yeah, this is like the city of Chiba. Chiba is right there. So it's the corner of the main Chiba. We are also from Chiba, but we are more like a suburb Chiba. And we are like really towards the end of Chiba. So some people might even think we are countryside Chiba, don't you think? Because this is actual Chiba. This is Chiba, yeah. So people around here are like sophisticated, so-called fancy pants. And then they got this big city kind of vibe, life, coins, different. Anyway, you can see the train right there.
Yeah, we want to go to the. We can either go straight across the thing, the road, and then go left, or we can cross before. We can turn left before, and go and then cross.
Which way you want to do?
I don't know. That's the way we can decide later.
How could you want to walk more? Or?
Well, anyway, we walk in the shop.
Yes. This here. Is that a bird? That's a bird.
That's a bird.
It's a bird. Right now. Can you hit with the stone or something? Oh, it's a bird. Bloody hell. Because there's a fish. You can see. Did you see the splash of water? There's a fish. That way, all the way that way, Tokyo Bay. Oh damn, they're right here. So yeah, should be a lot of small fish. Anchovies, I reckon. But all the way that way, Tokyo. And Funabashi and all those main Tokyo Bay, all that way. This way all the way towards the corner, it's the curve of the bay, and then you have a nice small land between the bay and the Pacific, and that place is also Chiba. That's really good to ride around that area. Look at the apartment size. Look at this. Easily, at least 5,000 people live in here. Easily, I think more than 5,000. No, at least 5,000, I'd say. No? What kind of sound was that? Lift? Maybe. It got to. But it looks like government housing now. Yeah. It's like a new government housing. Ah, look at that area. You can walk through the dam. This way. Yeah, we're not wasting time now. So we're gonna cross from here. Oh, you wanna walk till the... Okay, go. Alright, that's Lala Port. The tower there. That's where we're walking to. From Lala Port, we're gonna catch train and then go to the beach. Man-made beach. Man-made beach. Not the natural beach. Natural beach, wow. After we both start to ride, which is next month. Very excited for that. We're gonna go to like really nice Pacific beach. If we get same day off. That's the thing. 20th from this month, the emergency is gonna be lift off. Then I might be working. At my other job. Oh, look at the size of that ship. That's a big ship there. And yeah, this is all like private yacht, fishing boats, fishing trailers. Bay. So Tokyo Bay. Gotta go Lala Port la. We're catching train from there. Inside.
So
Yeah, we go walk through Lala Port, get some free AC, and then get on the train. Now there's a train line up there. The line runs along the bay, along the Disneyland and all. It's really beautiful. Drag on. Anyway. Okay. Which way is the station? So this is pretty much for the baby section. So Akatan, Toys R Us, Babies R Us. Oh, okay.
I know this way.
Yeah, that's the train station there. So okay, you want to grab something on the food court? Because once we get off, we're going to be straight to the beach, yeah? Oh, they do the pizza too, look.
You want to eat the pizza?
On the train. One of Harry's favorite. Is this the one? No. What do you want to eat? You want to do gindaiko? I don't know, maybe yeah, something onigiri, or you said something like there's an onigiri shop, I think there. The one in the corner. Oh, katsu sign. Yeah. Well, 5% battery. Gonna finish it up. Baskin and Robbins. Hey, what's up, mister? Macca's everywhere in Japan. Mr. Donut, Macca's, bloody hell. These guys are like chain. I think that's it, lah. Should we go on? Or should we get in the super?
Okay.
That's the another mall. Look at the rush. This is a rush time. What exit we taking? Maybe down. It just says exit. Alright. Mind that. Keep in mind this is June of 2021. Okay. Excuse me. We got a rush of people. The rush hour. Everyone's back from school, work. Either we just go into the back. Should be the exit there. So that way. Look at that. This is nothing compared to when it's normal. That's what they said. No, I haven't experienced the normal rush, but everyone keeps saying this is a new city, Makuhari. Hey, which way we gonna walk? Is that a way? Okay, Mitsui Outlet Park, Marines, baseball. They got Polina outlet there. There's a lot of outlet park around. Like the Bayside, like I said, the Bayside is very popular, especially during the evening and night. A lot of guys driving around with their fancy cars, guys with the motorcycle, like me. Yeah, I like doing that too. It looks really beautiful. The Bayside. Nice in case. I don't know. Where? What? Which? Oh yeah. Fruit. Oh look, they've got the Gap again. Gap. Banana Republic too. Ah, should we walk straight? Can you see? Check the map. Anyway, gotta save some battery for later. Oh look, they got a park there.
Okay, let's go through. There's another park here.
Yeah, that's the park.
And
that's the beach. Yeah, we're going.
You can go through there. Yeah, do you think?
Yeah. Okay. How far is the bay?
How do I know?
I know you just click there and then direction and then walk.
18 minutes.
Oh, so 18 minutes walk. I'm gonna walk 18 minutes, people. Exercise. Alright. This is, I forgot the name of the station. It's kind of hard to pronounce. Kahim Makuhari. I'm gonna walk through the park. What do you do?
Don't open your lunchbox then. It's gonna attack you.
Bit of greenery. Okay, we'll have to rip the roots out of this tree then. While going home. The Mushi is gonna come with us too. Maybe when after we have our car, I'll rip one out for you from the ground. You should buy a small one. Oh, they got a good exercise park here. Look at that hat. Hey, did you drop your hat here?
I think so. Is that mine?
Yeah, this one, the grass. I love this one. Reminds me of the summer in Nepal. Something is in the. It's written something there. We didn't even read that. So, apartment everywhere.
So many
Distraction everywhere. Oh, hey, that's a clock. 5:45 now. That's a big clock. That's like seriously big clock. Yeah, it's big. Clock's big. Trees are smaller. Apartments are bigger. The Bayside. Enjoying our 4 days off that we have, and this is it, the moment of truth. This is the way, love. It's not. Why is it scary? Actually I like this kind of darkness. So if we come on motorcycle, we can park our bike here.
Okay.
Yeah. Even a car can fit in. Small one. See, trees all the way. Trees. It's a park cone, pine cone. I should get one good one for Eddie from here.
I wanted to take one. They'll show you how.
Already can smell the beach. Right, finally, this is it. We made it. Sunset, love. It's not long. We'll get to see the sunset. Where are we going? Which way? No, we gotta go more that way. You can see the ships. Can you see them? So imagine how big the bay is. Them all the way in the corner there. You can see some land, mountains. That's Chiba there. So that's all Chiba there. And then after that is only the real ocean, Pacific. That's that. I went all the way there at the other side on my motorcycle. That day I rode nearly 8 hours. 6 to 8 hours, I'd say. Yeah, it was one of those new kind of happy riding moment for me in Japan. So I was carried away. So that way all the way down, and all that buildings you can see, that's all Tokyo Bay, around Tokyo Bay, and the Yokohama. Grasshopper? Are you scared of grasshopper? Okay. Yeah, the small one, see? Baby. Okay, anyway, finally me and Eddie, first time in the show. Eddie? Where do you want to sit down now?
I don't know. Go more.
We need to find a good grass to sit down. So the grass was either up there where we came through. Okay. The UFO ship has landed. Da, 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 da. It looks nice. Greenery. Can you see? How it's
Yeah.
green thing they put.
I can see better than you though.
Don't make me jealous. Plenty of hotels. Oh, it's nice. That one looks promising. Like rich people hotel. Shop and restaurant. We at the bayside. Yeah. We just saw that there is a spaceship here.